in this video, we're going to continue and explore objects a bit deeper. So objects is not only, as if you see my previous video where we showed you the basic one where we are able to display the brand of the milk and the price of the milk. And the objects in JavaScript can go more deeper because it's quite common you don't have only one object, or at least not one in this object here, not only one value with multiple items, but you have maybe another one. Imagine here, this is like a supermarket. You can imagine that they don't have one, but they have another one as well, another brand, which could be beer brand. So we have beer brand, and the price is 100, and this one is only 500 milligrams, or milliliter, sorry. So this is a way. So how do we communicate this? So very important here, because we add up a new item here, basically we are now an array. We're not an array, this is an array of objects. Yes. So remember that array is different from array of objects, because here this is completely different. This works with objects here. So what we're going to do here is the following here, because right now we have this constant of milk, and we have now this brand name. But imagine you want to display now beer brand here. Let's refresh here. Now it gives an error. It's undefined. Why does it give undefined? Well, first of all, this is the first object set. Basically here the milk. So we have to put in here 0. Remember, an array starts with 0, and an object starts with the same. It's also 0-based calculation. So the thinking is similar, but it's slightly different. So alright, so we've got this now. Refresh, and now we have this here. Now we show this. But what if we adjust this here? Let's say here we have milk 1, and then we get the price, and the price is 100 here. So let's say this. Refresh, and now you can see it starts to display 100 instead of 200, because this is the way it works. So if we can add up here, and let's put in here another brand. I have no idea. Let's say this is a chocolate milk brand, chocolate brand, and this one is 1000, and this one is not in measurement, is in grams. Let's put in grams here, or gram. This is G is probably fine, and this is a 200 gram bar. All right, so we have this chocolate brand here. What we can do now is we can add up this item here, or we can change here the brand name. Let's put this here now on number 2. All right, let's save this. Refresh, and now you can see we have chocolate brand 100. Let's put it also on number 2. There you are. And this is basically how you can play with the objects, or basically this is an object of arrays. Because this here indicates it's an array, so the thinking of it becomes an array. However, you cannot push here always data, and we will go deeper in this in the next video. So if you like these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding to the objects and objects of array, put them in the comment section below.